The state of Georgia is known for its rolling hills, lush peach trees, and the quintessential southern hospitality that draws visitors from far and wide. The landscape is a picturesque blend of natural beauty and cultural charm, but hidden away in a secluded field not far from the quaint town of Elberton, stands a monument as mysterious as it is imposing, a structure that has intrigued and baffled many for decades. The Georgia Guidestones. Erected in 1980, these towering granite slabs rise majestically against the sky, casting long shadows over the rural landscape. They are not just stones, they are a statement. Each slab bears a message inscribed in 8 different languages, a message that has sparked endless controversy and debate for decades. The inscriptions are more than just words, they are a puzzle, a riddle, waiting to be solved. The Guidestones serve as a time capsule from an era obsessed with the end of the world and the dawn of a new age. They reflect a time when people were deeply concerned about the future of humanity and the planet. Who built them? What do the cryptic inscriptions really mean? These questions have lingered in the minds of many, fueling endless speculation and theories. Researchers, conspiracy theorists, and curious travelers alike have been drawn to this enigmatic site, each hoping to uncover the secrets hidden within the stone. The Georgia Guidestones continue to fascinate and frustrate, standing as a testament to human curiosity and the enduring quest for knowledge and understanding. The Georgia Guidestones are a sight to behold. Rising majestically from the ground, these enigmatic structures have captured the curiosity of many since their unveiling in 1980. Arranged in a star pattern, the 6 granite slabs weigh in at a combined 237,746 pounds, a testament to the ambition of their unknown creators. Each slab is meticulously placed, creating a harmonious yet mysterious structure that stands as a silent guardian of its messages. But it's the inscriptions on those stones that truly captivate the imagination. These messages, etched into the granite, offer a glimpse into the minds of those who conceived this monument. Carved into the granite are 10 guides or guidelines for humanity, written in 8 modern languages: English, Spanish, Swahili, Hindi, Hebrew, Arabic, Chinese, and Russian. This multilingual approach ensures that the messages are accessible to a broad audience, transcending cultural and linguistic barriers. These guides range from the practical, maintain humanity under 500 million in perpetual balance with nature, which suggests a harmonious coexistence with the environment, to the philosophical, be a stone in the river of time. This poetic guideline encourages individuals to see themselves as part of a larger, enduring flow of history and existence. Some seem to promote unity and peace, advocating for a world where people from different backgrounds can coexist harmoniously, while others have been interpreted as advocating for population control and even eugenics. This has sparked controversy and debate as people grapple with the ethical implications of such guidelines. It's this ambiguity that fuels much of the fascination and debate surrounding the Guidestones. The monument stands as a canvas for interpretation, inviting each visitor to ponder its true meaning and the intentions of its creators. Whether seen as a blueprint for a better world or a cryptic warning, the Georgia Guidestones continue to intrigue and inspire. Adding to the enigma of the Guidestones is the mystery surrounding their creation. The Georgia Guidestones, often referred to as America's Stonehenge, have puzzled historians, conspiracy theorists, and curious minds alike since their unveiling. In June of 1979, a man calling himself R.C. Christian approached the Elberton Granite Finishing Company with a peculiar request: to build a monument, one that would stand the test of time and convey a message to future generations. This request was unlike any the company had ever received, sparking intrigue and speculation from the very beginning. Christian claimed to represent a group of individuals who wished to remain anonymous. This group, he said, had been planning the monument for over 20 years, and they had very specific ideas about what it should represent and how it should be constructed. He paid for the monument in cash and provided detailed specifications for its construction. The instructions were meticulous, covering everything from the size and orientation of the stones to the inscriptions that would be carved into them in multiple languages. To this day, the true identity of R.C. Christian and the motivations of his group remain a mystery. Despite numerous investigations and countless theories, no one has been able to definitively uncover who R.C. Christian was or what his group hoped to achieve with the Guidestones. Some believe he was a wealthy eccentric, while others speculate he was a front for a powerful secret society. Theories range from the plausible to the fantastical, with some suggesting connections to the Rosicrucians, the Freemasons, or even extraterrestrial beings. Whatever the truth, R.C. Christian disappeared as quickly as he arrived, leaving behind a legacy of mystery and intrigue. The Georgia Guidestones continue to stand as a testament to his enigmatic vision, inviting visitors to ponder their purpose and the secrets they may hold. The mystery of R.C. Christian endures, a puzzle that may never be fully solved, but one that continues to captivate and inspire those who seek to uncover the truth. The cryptic nature of the Guidestones' message has fueled endless speculation about its true meaning. Some see it as a blueprint for a utopian future, a world where humanity lives in harmony with nature. Others interpret the message as more sinister, a set of rules for a new world order controlled by an elite few. Fueling these theories are the Guidestones' astronomical alignments. The stones are precisely positioned to track the sun's movements throughout the year, suggesting an advanced knowledge of astronomy. Some believe these alignments point to a connection with ancient cultures or even extraterrestrial beings. The Guidestones have become a magnet for conspiracy theorists, who see them as evidence of everything from Illuminati plots to alien intervention. Section 5. When monuments crumble, acts of defiance and destruction. The Georgia Guidestones, while captivating to some, have also been a target of vandalism and controversy. Over the years, the stones have been spray-painted with graffiti, splattered with paint, and even attacked with explosives. These acts often reflect the polarized views the Guidestones evoke. Some see the Guidestones as a symbol of globalism, population control, and a threat to individual liberties. Others view the vandalism as an attack on free speech and the right to express unconventional ideas. The repeated acts of vandalism highlight the passions the Guidestones ignite, becoming a lightning rod for societal anxieties about the future. Section 6. Echoes in the Information Age, the Guidestones' digital afterlife. Despite their physical isolation, the Georgia Guidestones have found a new life in the digital age. The internet is awash in websites, forums, and social media groups dedicated to unraveling their mysteries. Countless articles, documentaries, and YouTube videos explore the Guidestones' history, meaning, and potential connections to secret societies and global conspiracies. This online fascination has only amplified the Guidestones' notoriety, attracting visitors from around the globe. Tourists and conspiracy buffs alike make the pilgrimage to Elberton, drawn by the allure of the unknown. The Guidestones have become a cultural phenomenon, transcending their physical location to become a symbol of mystery and intrigue in the digital age. Section 7. A Legacy in Ruins, the Aftermath of Destruction. In a shocking turn of events, the Georgia Guidestones, once standing tall as a testament to mystery and intrigue, were heavily damaged in an explosion in July 2022. The blast, attributed to unknown assailants, caused significant damage to one of the granite slabs, leading to the demolition of the remaining structure for safety reasons. This act of destruction sent shockwaves through the communities that both revered and reviled the monument. While some celebrated the destruction of what they perceived as a monument to tyranny, others mourned the loss of a unique and thought-provoking piece of history, regardless of its controversial message. Section 8. The Enduring Enigma, Unanswered Questions and Speculation. The destruction of the Georgia Guidestones, rather than providing closure, has only deepened the mystery surrounding them. The identity of those responsible for the bombing remains unknown, as do their motives. Was it an act of protest against the Guidestones' message, or were there other factors at play? The absence of the physical monument has done little to quell the public's fascination. If anything, the destruction has fueled further speculation and conspiracy theories. The Guidestones have become a modern-day enigma, a Rorschach test reflecting our anxieties, beliefs, and fascination with the unknown. Section 9. Conclusion, Silent Stones, Roaring Debate. The Georgia Guidestones may be gone, but their legacy endures. They serve as a stark reminder of the power of symbolism, the allure of mystery, and the enduring human need to make sense of the unknown. The stones may be silent, but the debates they sparked continue to resonate. Whether viewed as a blueprint for a better future, a harbinger of dystopia, or simply a bizarre roadside attraction, the Georgia Guidestones have left an indelible mark on the landscape of American culture. Their story is a testament to the enduring power of mystery and the human capacity for both wonder and suspicion.